Hello beautiful you, welcome once again to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through my facial shaving routine that helps me avoid bumps and dark spots. As you can see when I zoom in that I have hair all over my face. So women do have facial hair due to hormonal fluctuations, genetics and other factors. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's an underlying health issue. It's completely normal sometimes, and shaving your face can help with exfoliation, leading to smoother skin, better makeup application and a youthful appearance. Of course, there are other alternatives than to shave yourself at home, such as professional dermaplaning, waxing, or laser hair removal. So, I advise you to always seek professional advice and choose what works for you. For me, I love shaving at home, so let's get right in. So, I always start by exfoliating my skin, and I pick a very mild exfoliator. This one is from Vitamin C, and it's also very soapy. So, I love this, and I just use circular motions to exfoliate my skin very gently, and this step is crucial for a smooth shave and it prevents ingrown hair. So I love how soapy this scrub is, and I wash that off, and this is what my face looks like. Once my face is exfoliated, I place a warm towel over my face for about a minute. The heat from the towel helps to further soften the hair and open up my pores, making the shaving process much easier. Next, I'm going to be applying a homemade body butter which I made myself, and it's an all-purpose 100% organic butter that I made from a blend of organic butters and oils. It's perfume free and perfect for my sensitive skin. If you're interested in how to make this, let me know in the comment section. So I prefer using this butter because commercial shaving creams have not worked for me for now. So I once tried a shaving cream before that really said it was for the face, and thank God I tried it on my armpit first, and my goodness gracious, it burned me. Since then, I've stuck to organic products that I can trust. But let me know if you have other recommendations. Then I used a very new shave stick or brow shaver to start shaving my face. I begin from the top and I work my way down very gently. I'm being very careful to avoid any bumpy areas. It's important to always use a clean, sharp shaver to prevent irritation and nicks, and also to achieve the best results. As you can see, I'm just using short strokes, and I clean off the hair with a warm, wet towel, a warm, damp towel, and I continue to repeat the process. I am very generous with the cream because I want my face to be well covered so that the blade can actually glide through my face effortlessly. You girls, that's everything that came out from my face. Anyway, so this is what my face looks like when I'm done shaving. I still have a lot of butter on my face. Going to use a facial foam wash to cleanse it off. It says soothing and brightening, so I'm just going to lather this up and wash. You want to make sure that you remove all traces of butter. Make sure that your face is completely clean to avoid any breakouts or irritations. Now my face feels squeaky clean. You can actually end here once you're very sure that you have no more butters on your face or any hair. But sometimes I just want to be double sure. So I go ahead and use another soap, which is this Vitamin C gentle cleanser, and I wash that again. So I have washed my face twice, and I'm really 200% sure that it's very clean. So after cleansing, I simply go ahead to apply my facial oil. This is also homemade. I made it from 100% organic ingredients just so it can take care of my sensitive skin. If you'd like me to show you how to make facial oils, please do let me know in the comment section. So I pour a generous amount of oil on every part of my face, and I gently massage it into my skin to moisturize and to soothe it. For the next 24 hours, I avoid any other product on my face, especially if they have harsh ingredients in them. Nothing chemical, no actives, no nothing. So that's what you want to do. You just want to let your face rest. It has gone through a lot already. So this is what works for me. So I just go ahead and massage it very well into my skin. I just love how smooth my skin feels when it's shaven, and you will not believe my face when I do not follow this routine and I just go ahead and shave. Look, you will see the kind of bumps I have under my chin and the dark spots. And for those who have chin hair, please, it's better if you tweeze your hair rather than just shave it. Tweeze it from time to time, okay? So I hope you like this routine. Please share, subscribe, hit the notification button, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. Thank you. Until next time, bye.